All right, so we have a very exciting video today. I am going to do a soy milk taste test. We have 2 brands here and 3 different types. Let me set you up and we're gonna see how they all taste. So what I've done is I've made some strong concentrated coffee and put a little syrup in it, and we're gonna split this up between a few different cups and then taste it all in coffee, and then I'll probably taste it on its own, though honestly I really just have it for coffee. So let's see. So this one I tried yesterday, which inspired me to make this because I didn't like it, and I don't know if it was how I made the coffee or if it was the milk. Oh, you can't really see it. Hold on. So this one is the Simple Truth brand. I feel like it hasn't mixed very well. This one's very light, and this one's pretty dark. Not bad. Yeah, see, that one has a really soy taste. And this one's pretty good. Okay, I already knew I wasn't gonna love this one, which is too bad because I bought the most of that one. I think I like this one the best. Let me shake it up and add a little more. Yeah, this one has the most neutral flavor. This one kind of has a weird texture. But the flavor isn't bad. Ugh, this one just tastes like soy. Ugh. Okay, so number 1, number 2, and number 3. This one's my favorite, which is what I was hoping. This one's not bad, but it's more expensive. And then this one just tastes like soy. Ugh. I'm gonna have to flip this around. Well, there you have it. That is my soy milk review. Thanks for watching. So the other day you saw that I set up that weight set, kind of, and I had a little setup, and I talked about maybe rearranging this room. So now we're gonna do it. Hello. So I got this, and I got this, and we're gonna get rid of this. Whew! That was difficult. Ta-da! Yes! I have a mullet. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. I love it. Looks like Nathan added Hunter to Uncle John's grave. Hey, Grandma. Hey, Grandpa. Hi, Uncle Ken. I haven't walked this way for a while since it's been rainy season. And everything's so grown now. It's crazy. Look at this. It's beautiful though. Hello. What are you doing there, bud? Ooh, sorry, Finn. Hi. Meow. Are you a cute boy? Are you the cutest boy? Finn, don't listen. He's not the cutest boy. You're the cutest boy. You're the cutest boy, Fluffy. I think I interrupted Finn going potty earlier. Is he gonna go potty or is he just sniffing? What are you doing? Oh, the cutie. Hi. Hi. You're covered in dirt. You're covered in dirt. Come on. Hi, Mama. And the baby. Hello, baby. Hello, Mama. Finn, it's your friends that you hate. Wow. Hi, the baby. Finn, you're not going to go attack the crows? I wonder where the baby cat could have gone. Where is she? Where could she be? Oh. Mr. Fluffy, where's the baby? You don't know where she is either? What? Maybe go look for her. Oh, hi, Mama.